Mid-range shot talaga. Extra pass. It's Pugoy from the corner.
Alam mo, in his head is yung 12 points nung nakaraan para sa kanya. Manipis yun. So he wants to be better than that. This is great para sa Terra Firma. Quick 5 points para dito kay
Terra
Antonio.
Firma. Ito si Pugoy involving RHJ. Nagawan pa ng paraan.
That is gonna wake up the bench of
Castro. There's an open shot by Awal. He's a 10 shot too. Yan ang strength niyan, outside shooting.
now they're gonna... Now it's down to 1 possession again.
Wow, what a move by RHJ.
Always quick responses pag mula dito kay Rondae Hollis.
Naipasa pa, ninabatak, and eventually, naging 3 mula kay Rondae Hollis Jefferson.
Parang ang taas ng porsyento.
Ganap ng pwesto si Ferrer. They feed Kevin, and he finishes through the foul.
So you mentioned something nice kanina, Jate. Parang they don't seem to get... Okay lang. Sige, that's forgivable dahil...
Oh, that's gonna hurt. A missed 3 from Stan Hardinger. A made 3 from Castro to beat the halftime buzzer.
That's correct. Well, as Christian Stan Hardinger opting for a 3-pointer, may natira pang oras. Kasabi ni Jason
who had some space. Here's RHJ making his move. Wow. Sometimes this man going to Hernandez shoots over Hollis Jefferson. It's a miss, and no one can stop Stan Hardinger from getting that board and that putback.
Walang nang maganda.
Jason will finish through the foul.
Tatlong defenders andon. Okay lang kay The Blur, di ba? Sige, I'll take that.
Castro to Eram. The Blur remains the Blur.
Yeah.
Eram, he has that range and shows it.
Pamatay sunog. Jump shot ni JP Eram.
Balik sa Shaman naman ng TNT.
Despite that, ganda ng record dyan. 3 wins and 1 loss ang TNT. Another nice possession para sa Terra Firma. Able to keep it close. Look at from the 3-point area. Magmula kay Andreas Kahiligo.
Aurin made Pringle touch earth.
10 puntos para kay Kim Aurin. Ito, format natin. Lahat makikita pa po nila for a second time.
Eximiniano may pahabol pang 4.
Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos yun na. Angat ang laban.